well. Wait, where is the pen? Pencils, pencils, why so many pencils? It's probably in the backpack. Oh, you black hole. Well, then, a book, headphones, pillow to make it soft. Why do I have a notebook here? Oh, a pen. Okay. Wait, where is the stickers, holder, markers? No, this is it. Hi guys, I'm Stacia and let's make a cool organizer and planner. There will be a phone stand, pockets, place for pen, markers and stickers. For it, we'll use cardboard and we need these parts. 2 size 17 by 22 centimeters, 2 size 22 by 3 centimeters, and 1 22 by 5. We need this for the base. All these parts have to be connected together the way they lay here. You can do it this way. Take first and second one. Put one over another and apply sticky tape here. Then repeat the same from the other side. Two parts are connected together, and we do the same to others. Lay out, apply tape, turn over, and more tape. So we get the base, or you can call it an organizer skeleton. Now we need to make a stand. We need 3 parts for it. All the sizes are on the screen. Connect them together in the same way using tape. Stick on 2 sides. Let's stick it organizer at once and add more tape here. Glue color paper all around. Repeat the same from the back side. Now I take a piece of cardboard of the same size. Apply glue to the top and stick it. Here is the stand. I am using elastic for the phone. I put the phone and measure the length of elastic. Cut it and glue it. The second one goes the same way. Measuring portions of elastic for markers and pen. Here I glue it for markers only. Perfect! I'll have stickers here. And here, to have the place occupied, let's have some pockets. Contour them with glue and press. I'll have a notebook here. The notebook itself is made from such sheets. I cut ones of the size required. Align edges and apply some glue. When it dries out, the notebook can be glued to the organizer. And right here, close to the notebook, I placed a pen. The elastic for it is already prepared. We only have to glue it. The cover was already decorated with paper, but I don't think it's enough, so let's add a heart sticker. Here's the planner we got. What do you think? Does it look good? I'm totally satisfied with it. Hopefully some of you find it useful. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe. Have a good mood and bye!